Meal prep recipes are a time-efficient and healthy strategy for seniors, utilizing versatile ingredients like quinoa and boiled chicken that adapt easily to different meals throughout the week. By preparing meals ahead, seniors can make healthier food choices and save money by reducing grocery bills, as meals are properly portioned and planned to avoid unplanned spending. Weekly meal prep saves significant time and energy, streamlines adherence to dietary recommendations, and curbs the impulse for unhealthy eating, especially when cooking feels too demanding. Shopping in larger quantities not only cuts costs, but also transforms meal preparation into a social event, helping to alleviate feelings of loneliness among seniors by involving friends or caregivers. Meal prep involves planning, shopping, and preparing basic components like vegetables and proteins. It's crucial to keep these foods sanitized and labeled, with meals chosen in consultation with healthcare providers to suit individual health needs. The meal prep process can be spread across a weekend or packed into a single session, depending on the senior's schedule, allowing for a focused and enjoyable cooking experience without daily distractions. For seniors with limited mobility or culinary skills, meal prep proves especially beneficial. Easily consumable dishes like overnight oats or bento boxes ensure nutritious eating, incorporating elements like healthy fats and fiber-rich vegetables. Strategically utilizing kitchen storage solutions and planning meals around appliance use can further economize time and resources, making meal prep a sustainable practice that reduces waste and repeated shopping trips. Engaging in meal prep not only fosters culinary creativity among seniors, but also promotes adherence to medication schedules and improves overall nutrition, significantly enhancing the quality of life and independence in senior living.